Hi guys, welcome back to another videos. In this video, I want to share what I know best is makeup. I told you I'd be making more videos and I've been very consistent with my videos. Okay, in this video I'm gonna share with you guys the top American my top 3 products. American Tinted Moisturizer. Yes, so basically Tinted Moisturizer is like a moisturizer with a hint of color. Basically, to me it's more like a light foundation. I'm wearing one of them today. So I have 3 products. 2 of it is high-end and 1 is like a drugstore, because this drugstore product is, to me, is really good. That's why I included in this top 3. I want to make it top 3 because I want to make it simple for my viewers to find, or to not be crazy overwhelmed with other products other YouTuber recommends on YouTube. You know, sometimes they recommend like 10, so it's like you don't know what is good and what to buy. Usually if you like makeup, you want to buy all of them, right? So I just want to stick with 3. That's my thing. I like to be simple. Okay, the first one is, okay, here you go. Let's get started. This is the Saie Slip Tint. This product is, you can get it from Sephora. This is my top one, number 1. I go from the best of the best from the start. So this one is in the shade 3.5. This is my fit me perfectly and is has SPF 35, and you can get it from Sephora. This is a high-end, kind of more like a high-end luxury products, but it's affordable. I think it's affordable. It's only $32 at Sephora, so it's not too bad. When it first came out, it came out recently. It's not too long ago. I think in March of this year or something like that. So when it first came out, I got it right away. And when I recommend you this product is more for like people with more like flawless skin. Not flawless, but doesn't have too much imperfection. If you don't have too much imperfection, if you don't have too much imperfection, this product is perfect for you. Because if you like coverage that's very sheer, because it's a tinted moisturizer, it's kind of sheer, on the sheer side. I don't really like my makeup to be super thick and super fake looking. I like it to be more like a skin-like natural finish. So this one is really good if you like to have like a natural look to your makeup. This product doesn't last super long, but it does last quite a long time. I would say 5 hours or so, if you prep your skin really well with primer and with setting powder and a good setting spray. So this one is perfecto for those that want to have use high-end products. And if you like kind of high-end products and you like something very natural, then this is for you. So when I first got this one, I got the shade number 2. It's kind of light for my skin, so I returned it for, actually I got shade number 3 before, and then it's still kind of light for my skin, so I returned it. I exchanged it for shade 3.5. So yeah, shade is very good. It has high rating on Sephora website as well. It's like almost 5 star or something like that. You can check it out. I can put the link down in the description box if you like. Oh my god, 5 minutes already. Okay, the next one is I like this one. I recently tried it. I bought it on eBay, even though I think this one is like $42 or $45, something like that. But this is the Kosas tinted face oil. Even though it say oil, because I got the sample of this product in the mail from Sephora, the little package, and I tried it on. The shade wasn't perfect, but the texture and the finish was really good. That's why I decided to get the full bottle from eBay. This reseller sell it for like half the price, so I was like, oh my god. I got shade number 4. This one is Tinted Moisturizer, shade number 4. Shit, I dropped it again. Anyway, this one, even though it's a tinted oil, you would assume that it would help with dry skin. I have kind of dry skin. I thought it would not be dry, but because I like the finish of this, it looked very natural and it brightening up my skin and even out my skin. I really like it, but the only thing I don't like it is because even though it's an oil, it's kind of drying. It's not super drying or cling to your patches or anything like that. It just feel a little bit drying, even though it's an oil. That's weird. So that's why when you use this product, you have to use you have to prep your face really well and use like a really good underneath moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer. It would help with this products, you know what I'm saying? This is very thin. The texture is like water. If you shake it, I feel like water. I really like it. The texture, it's easy to blend with your fingers, and that's why I like it. It doesn't look cakey in my face or anything like that. So yeah, I like it. That's why I want to recommend you guys. Second one, number 2 on the spot. Okay, the last one. Thank God we have only 3. I don't want to have 10 and then have to be like, this video gonna be like what, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So the last product is from Wet n Wild. Surprise! Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I have the shade light medium, and this one is retail for I think $5 to $6. You can get it at Walmart, Target, or Walgreens, or any drugstore. This one, when it first came out, I was shook, but when it first came out, it's super hard to find this, so I have to order online. That's crazy, right? This one I put it on number 3 is because the problem is it can look a little bit makeup-y. It look kind of like makeup-y, not too bad, but it's not. It looked like makeup-y because of the tone. The shade is kind of a little bit ashy, a little bit grayish. I don't know how to explain, but that finish, the turnout, the finishes look a little bit like a makeup, but not too bad. The texture is not thick at all. It's like a cream, kind of thin cream paste, whatever. I'm not really good at explaining, but this one has hyaluronic acid and squalene, oil free, and it has sheer to medium coverage. I highly recommend this product if you don't want to spend like a lot of money on your makeup tinted moisturizer. And this one, if you prep your face really well with primer and setting spray and good setting powder, it can last a long time, like 8 hours max, I think. So yeah, you can try this one if you like. Maybe out of this 3, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, this one is the first one to try. And the second one to try would be, I would say, Saie. Third one is the oil from Kosas, tinted oil. And this one, from the price range, it will be on the last, but from the finish perspective, it will be on the second spot. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I mumble too much and I try to talk very fast to get my point across. So anyway, today I'm wearing the Kosas. Hopefully you can tell the difference. But I prep my face really well and set my face and then with powder and then setting spray. So anyway, hopefully you guys find this video helpful. You know, I'm trying very hard to make more videos for you guys. If you like this video, please thumb up on this video and also subscribe to my channel, you know. Bye. See you in the next video.